Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer an audio file from a USB flash drive to a Mac computer using terminal and terminal commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a USB flash drive which can have a capacity of 1, 2, 3 all the way up to maybe a terabyte. In this tutorial, we are working with a smaller file, so we're not really worried about big capacity USB flash drives. We also need to know how to use terminal as well as the terminal commands, so we can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, now insert the USB into the USB port, wait for that to load on screen. There you go, within favorites, locations, Kingston, and we are working with the audio file within the USB flash drive, which is audio.mp3. Let's minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Again, go to Launchpad, search for terminal, open up the terminal, increase the size of the terminal window as well as the text size. Using Command plus a couple of times. Now let's clear everything on screen. Let's now navigate to the desktop using CD, desktop, semicolon, ls-l, enter. We now need to navigate into volumes and then Kingston, CD / volumes, Kingston, ls-l to view everything within the USB flash drive. And now we are working with audio.mp3. The command to move the audio file is mv a tab audio.mp3 option n tilde / the destination to where we want to move the audio file to, which is desktop, desk, tab, enter. Before we do that, let's just go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, decrease the Finder size, and now let's watch the audio file jump from the Kingston USB to the desktop itself. And there we go. So from one place, being the Kingston USB flash drive, all the way to the desktop itself. So we can now quit Finder for the moment, clear everything on screen in terminal, change directory, quit terminal, eject the Kingston USB flash drive from the Mac computer, remove the USB flash drive from the computer. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.